Everclean sanitizer.
Everclean sanitizer. Or ye come papa mom se men use Everclean sanitizer. Inke minim de sanitizers you or numu sanitizer.
Everclean sanitizer.
Onye du humbi nensubi na waka fro. Alcohol over 70% ibi wom. Aloe vera ibi wom. A drip biara WHO waka do to fight against coronavirus with bia shema mehen.
Everclean sanitizer.
Munia sanitizers bebre no wogom. Nsunye ni nyina na FDA waja tum. Inti mercacho de sonye Everclean sanitizer mento.
Enua no bana kano. Unkwa huhiayen. To Everclean sanitizer wo pharmacy biara eben ubia. Ope dudu wetu akotonwa. Fra Homka Beverages was 0244 365071 0244 365071. Delivery eye free. And Kaiboy Food and Drugs Authority Ashishum Ajiatum.
Set me referee BBM pa mekai adie baako a Beef Nation president Nana Reagan can say beef ni mumudie but Kai said Osaka can say it has its own implications. One can say enya dia bibia betime free maba o say beef ni because it is always better to jojo than to war. But then remember, it comes with some implications. That is what we are going to discuss here on Samiflex TV. Now, do you remember the beef happening between Eno Baroni? We also have Sister Ifia and again Frida Rhyme. So, okay, so far, of course, the same on your own marking sheets. Of course, it's the same. If what's called Eno Baroni ahead of Frida Rhymes and Sister Ifia. And now Frida Rhymes ahead of the rest. What is your score? Your friend is Sammy Flex. We a Beef Nation. The Baba share the ECOSO, the Beef World, and of course the President Nana Reagan is seated to take us through all these ones and twos. Why don't you get ready and let's get it rolling? Thanks to Digital Rasta Currency, to Richie Flex, and I also have man like Yala BG. They are the guys controlling affairs at the other side when we sit in front of the cameras. Now Nana Reagan actual breakdown the implications I will give. Nana Bokode.
Rasa you have Bokode.
If I think that Sankas, Sakode, Shatawale, and San, everything is over. So the man who WhatsApp group Momo plan, Mama date.
He's almost show me.
No, WhatsApp platform. Almost just a date, I'm releasing now.
Rasa, you move in Piebo. And they are coming to Pumpuyena.
Oh, Pompa is a man for
Empire Bonu. Obiti said, Eno Baroni. There were rapid 50 plus FM. No, nice old crying call starting from Kumasi. And Sana James started a girl, and I say. Those times I know you good. I feel no pick you. She was good, but attention and eyeballs and ni so.
No.
Until say beefy, a man saw opportunity.
Okay.
So what I say? It's the daily na empire wanna say. Artist be empire wanna say on Subrina eyeball and as attention be. Now they are showcasing the talent and I say we're pushing the products to the people and I say to the public and I say consumers. Say a battery beef so I a jana no shikakra.
Okay.
Because obi happy.
Yeah.
People love competition. Beef no in other words na a competition keke.
Yeah. I think so yeah. Competition na anibrewu. Yeah,
yes, aggressiveness. Sanity.
Competition with aggression.
Yes. No. Me I am a decrap man because right now the attention the girl is getting. So all release and you my commercial be move said the national wallet me a bear 5 being on the roller. The girl will be big, like she will be so bigger. Assembly na Stonebwoy market chum no man some most na dem on be say no Charlie in some I can no say nka Ghana assistant ko be nya artist say yan Stonebwoy men Shatawale and Stonebwoy for this 40 years no sebi na e kase hunu bi na o kan because see akra the girl see you crash. It should send a signal and I said it should be
normally what's that? It's a days normally
yes.
Yes, within 2 days time.
Why not? Video one Sena Stonebwoy album you release.
Yeah,
it was in the trends
yeah.
But I didn't buy Nobody is talking about it again.
That means they say they can't discuss Aloga Junction.
Of course, nobody is talking about it. Attention has shifted. And that is what I'm talking about. Say, Otena Honomo now, yes, okay, yeah, big that. Obedient member on top of us. You are lying to yourself. Work. You need to work. If you have to work through beef, and get your works out there and make your money. That is all. That is all. Yeah, empire bono. Yeah, say obi nko bo obi asuma na say obi nko kaso obi ti achi na yeah interest. Enti na ye hwema itimi ka say beef no. Me personally as a Beef Nation president, the my rate say obi ya de chi obi na yes. Yeah, share lyrical content na nko say nipa ni delivering ni for ni technical.
Okay.
But yeah share say kase bi or crap and say moral de finipe no mo ba.
Even in the middle of beefing.
Exactly, yes. In boxing a professional game but enye baby na buy your max.
Yeah.
Sana beefing you was say industry, gatekeepers, players, journalists. Come on church your horn. That is how we have to rate it.
We can no make say chale ye konto panana be chebe mo.
But and I make say yes. Boxing, omo so I mean etimi bo bi ni ti na pai. Etimi bo bi nfin, obi a panta ni na koto, me kai ye boxer
kan.
Me refini.
You say wa ko di kan na.
I caught it. Yeah. And maybe now send me a guy. Or say okoye fight no obana those is not ba we say oh we. So obana ye part na ne na fufu egu ase. Nipa fan nam no omo twe na basa ni osis ebebi sa na ono ye party na na panta ya ro. Otimere na. Ya bona panta ya so na na mo fo eni na busa fo ti ase no mo twe nam no mo no bi e no mo manifest not no e din no show say go fo e omo ni bi e koso
mo ni de koso obidodo.
Oh, sanet ni brain no mudi ko jan ring ni mo e de bobo no bet enye baby a bobo obi ene e be mama baby o bobo kra ye tew.
Oh, okay.
That is how the beef should be. Beef, professionalism One, we should bring some technical agenda and say it should pave way and it should bring some life be into the business. And my active. And man go for any brain almost me try no crap and I was saying because at the end of the day, public never family again see pass in the we be family we be cast we the channel. We be say and na me show video be on the rapper be some Cape Coast rapper be. Yeah. Me figure in the kakra. The guys lines, I mean, these are people that only need attention, but video was about 40-something K. But Ghana for Obiama boy any attention. But with the money, Obi says I could they will
pay attention to him.
They will pay attention to him. And these things are very, very important. Feeder rhymes, meant to be MTN hit make away. Why not?
Nasa.
And this Kenya deal we I'm on the platform or is also no me news again on rappers. But releasing in your now fuck kind of the cry then me share video more than 7 times. The girl was on point.
Wow.
Just say and also my foul language is meaning honke can be eno dey na me name say I'm saying no the cocker say teacher for
it
was too bad.
Well, okay, trying meaning say and then the way I personally break down in fact call records nimu na enema ujidi say low blows ewo sa beef listening na fe ye ni nkomo because meaning say what actually say the beef need it is positive but the implications the Feeder Rhymes, Eno Baroni and Sister Fiano implications no key and suddenly be needed man you found one after the other.
Yeah, e bi ni say the no can say oba wa ye barry say teacher
and body shaming
okay. That's I mean no apart from say enya e betimi nya psychological effect Feeder Rhymes and Sister Fiano one kasa as a musician I also who say target audience.
Okay.
E bi nipa no oti no e teacher ni waware. O kasa asem no dia fa na yere ho na enye ne de. That thing alone can put somebody off. I want you mukra ontie.
Okay.
So these are the key things that you musician you need to pay attention to. You are not serving just yourself.
Oh, okay.
You are serving audience bebre.
Enka bibia.
Enka nyama bia ebe obi hu
and directly involved corona still.
Yes.
Indirectly very affected.
Yes. No who be when because we know anya say bia only this fia na aka na wo body shaming no bet. What come akako twi obi e wo baby. Teacher
or like body
teacher when teacher say me kwako teacher ni a. Eh teacher ni ho ye marry.
Yes, me phone.
Yes. You see that thing, me hate amount on that note pay. And Ghanaians are like that. Bet me hate amount just for that line ne keke no. Onye mo ntie ye rating me kra na bia onye no kra ye e bia beef ye cause you kra obi nim say I would deliver ye o rap ye o time obi bia was on best because of that line in the car no support you.
I think that we a very important point. We all have to pay critical attention to it. Sometimes in our bid say you be cancer mama ayi bi mu ya no. It make bibi amani twam akobo bi mu and this say another Beef Nation president Nana Reagan akano. But the body shaming bits in their rap punches no and no I say omo ya tra because no baby na fruits the fact that we fruits so say where did them. It's a holiday, what is point number 2?
Point number 2, no, I think my coffee down so now say me your kind so will be 20 cent the food. I say man no shape no. I say Sammy rather a man shape and none of the age whether we like it or not. Sometimes it be our page my crowd boss be an HR be beating actually who shape keke.
No, they see the baby our back page man
yes,
how you look.
I who shape in how or the Jumanama. Enti bia wo ye ne sa na e bia o shedam krama obeso opie ko nipam o sha atade a e kill sa na spirit no onti
that confidence also the dressing
biem and enye ono nko e bia anya so wo throw shot no at sister fia na say eno baroni wa kan wi but e wo bi so odem o te say e bia eno kra ye chem in terms of physical appearance enti ono no sa ni pa no se be hwa aka say ala na ge we cancer asem na fa nipa we hu ni nufu so enti de mimi nufu kra say so chen enti wo automatic as ani pa you've lost the person
because kasi ni nufu pray first say
nantria why is it enti those are the things in us in your gatekeepers you want some trophy e ba ni beef say how we have to rate the artists these are some of the things we need to look nipa no apart from all the technical things they be rate so the delivery or lyrical content or then share some of these lines nipa ni hu say I don't know kind and yet enti nipa asemesi we ya ade eche because otimi comporting no she was disciplined and then she delivered. There are some of the things in beef obi hu say Federals you me starting here okan ya ma female rappers o ma betwum including endo crap and some osaba back hit you understand these are some of the things yes these are some of the things these are very very positive kai in chirim omo be seti pace na ne onso enya saa akonya na onso wo ye bi no it is positive and to wait me you say no against obi line okoka so and amunufu kakraka say and why say you rate that line on top of this and yes and if the rhymes about be aya de chen eno say eno so na can be positive eno so aya de chen sister fear that is how we need to rate people in the beef. Yes and next time no say beef be crap pina okoye bibia obedwin the content the lyrics obedwin hu mienu na asa na wa beka. And another thing is that who's the brass and you social media beef and you beef
the
for
lyrical
yes the lyrical one sa Twitter name Instagram ni Facebook beef of course there's no format obia can be na ya and in anger
formula B
yes formula B in anger no so betimi aka bibia ebe ye obi ya ntino people look at their own so no so can ebe ye oya and no so ba be chura to Facebook. It's your home na ya mini problem but when it comes to say beat music is creativity you can say creativity now morals no be should be included yes anything na omo ye high life no wana yeti na mpedumu na yeti transit as papa dey or company sem or can yes or can yes or can say the never say you beef doesn't mean say you should do it like as a war treaty against somebody no When it is on a beef, it should be clean. You also when your beef song, you bet me cry. Say yeah, edit it part. You bet me up radio so.
And now referee is Samini scatter bad mind.
Yes.
Bam now.
Yes.
Bam bam bam. It's assistance now. One of attack songs are still. It's a party.
Yes. Those are the things you know. See, I was saying you're challenging artists, you know. And more James and Yaman. No more to put things in place. No more Yaman pepe. No say yeah. They say I don't more years one. Say who now after on your beats, no person will call Twitter and Instagram or account and they all WhatsApp. That is up to you. But on the beat, technical people will have to come and then analyze issues. We won't take those files.
I see. But then, Regan, one question I also beg to ask is, when it comes to ye beefer, should someone measure my words? It is sometimes it might not even be the truth, but or come and is that how not beef is supposed to be done?
That is what I'm saying. So when you see beef, musical beef, and I say lyrical beef, said they are kind. It's not just about people look at one the name rap people look at why the name and to chain than just in some now can am I individual person.
Okay.
You are serving the public with something to tell them say I am better than this person. And no rap no in now, but say just said popularity be an attention be a sister she is far better than her. That is
in terms of rap.
Yes, in terms of rap. Until also your goddess.
Yeah.
You understand? That is how we should look at things. It is all person when you beef on the way. I just say them a kind maybe a social media and I only original bonten and we use some oh when him say koto and I say we or high say and different board game. We should see beef like any professional sports. Even on a field of play, football, you can't go back. Uncle for shake your hands, including the referees. They exchange with, but you could not born so they bar ben prana any brain kwa. Behind Mukasa, I'll kill me when trying to hear your card. That is how you see the musical thing. That is how we should.
And this year, who did he say Sanka born here, but I can move your JJ.
Frida Rhymes said no. On my lines with brave red card. On my lines with brave red card. Say yellow card and so. Sana de na kwakwa. So we should check them. People and I before me the man medical strong man beef be rated strong man over medical. Apart from say omutu individual and I say character assassination shots they are themselves. Who share rated strong man you release here as against medical dinner. Oh. The boy was on point, like
he was clean.
Yes, he was
but
clean.
Still, he was making points.
Yes, or even though you foul, when you foul 1 or 2 fouls,
yellow card taking.
Yellow card. But medical, they don't compare the yellow card. Say, you know, then that's why red card. Oh, compare medical, then you have to give him red card. That is how people were saying. Say, strong man was over. Medical. You know, almost the same. To me, we need beef be as against any artist in the country. And you're just lyrical. I'm not saying the star. No. You cannot rate him just because they are medical rapping. Ta 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 pa 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 pa. Strong man rapping. Get the gada godo gada. No, now say because I'm not rapping saying no. They no. But share sanya mama. Apart from mama, we technical aspect. Most the timing here, the lyrics here, the delivery here no. You share foul languages in this animal, and no soon to me affect you be our more tension. Shatawal and Stone Boy, we are no way cast, we are muscle. We are saying will be a way disabled. At the end of the day, no, come and act will be on also Tiabon on my count.
Because there are so many people who yes. Like that.
Yes.
And the people brought me this one, no mood.
Yes. And to come and act will be on my count, when you'll be in Yantoka. So you should do your thing like. Since everyone crana or someone about industry music say the panel charge ye and I said these are the most important things because I mean say me charge chenwa charge na me cancel someone charge ye I'm throwing a challenge to you for you to do your products better to charge well and then pay your publicist well pay your manager well pay everybody well so at the end of the day shots be a make throughout you need the other throughout there is a challenge to us to work and work better. Yes, that is the beef thing agenda pushing on.
And so far it looks dangerous in the future. Say some of these girls, one share beto maybe not omwanga and some no kind assign by air hanti omara.
Of course. I say as individual people, any nana it me psyche individually. Maybe you be a me bass and me psyche even on some of this YouTube comment me go read and you be the best me go read in the post comment to be didn't attempt to be na share.
Yeah, say men can be.
Yes. Yeah, you move in the timish opa di atam time 5.
You move the
Yeah,
me to watch the amount.
But obi so entimi obi be kwakoda obedwin ho especially my bi obesu sa
and some more can
obesu sa
everybody say obi to say free the range of Phyllis and the two cute kakra and now dressing now show me more me from that he say me to say everybody
see me no for cry twifo
so
ni akukudro ni confidence on me pia fe bon say baby also on nanti do or show the confidence level the jibru
no amoa
odo pe no amoa. So these are some of the things they need to check. Like you are saying, I'm very bomb be ni on be chim on be yem penny for on be kana so be ts no e be yom ya e bia sa time no mo nana ni mu ni omu na edi ago psychologically and I say emotionally e be affect your man kasa baby as that omu ntimi mba abonten be kambo bi nti.
I see. Now when Miss Assembia in Sister Fia Eka na ya fara up say why is there still points in area. Sister Fia say she hopes say Sema Frida Rhymes eti Twitter or can announce Frida Rhymes on you know. She hopes that Frida Rhymes she had a bit in a catch face to face and also beef a bum.
Ebia ebetimi aye real thing or come ebetimi so horma obo henya the reason why I be Shatawale when it comes to beef is Shatawale betimi aye bibia bo henya pa on social media no bo share obetimi kra be hagyo aye bibia mo obi on say o mo
ni problem
o no she
it was just
that two am pu me no everybody be a blogger be me two am pu me bet ohunwa the real bay no mo say na ko be bia ko kasa no o yam shishi wo bet una be jane eti enyama mi na bia na sister fia no o ka ama bloggers are picky say oh e bia Frida Rhymes ada say eno shia na o ntimi nkasa ansem ni fini no o ntimi nya o mo hwe but obi so on ma bia emotionally she is hurt so much say or she say o mu shia no one on one say no mu ye mistake people no e be physical. Yes, and that is what we are preaching against. Say when it comes to these things, try as much as possible to jojo. Don't war. The war is this is the war I speaking against. Say okako bobi o chesika akuchobi and I want you to the Abu hanya man there. Please, yes ram mama akomanto yem na mo yewo beat ni su wi a mo nja nkan na public no Ghana ade wa wonye hwekra ye pe watro na mo ye beef ye be will troll you ye be cancel na ye be run commentary now to say attention be shift akodi baby no we will troll ye be can be sorry enti na nye into
sister Fia started presenting case because see the way that be say asema o to enyuma o to no I hope so share bit maka o manima they say only pako e physical.
Yes.
And a sister Fia say the mood was so speed the rhymes more.
Obey now was son.
Obey was so. Sister Fia mood to find.
Obey was son.
If the rhymes more
and so oh yes smarter. Is it some this thing because I mean say coronavirus. And I say be I look I cripple you and say intimi nyehia. Aka girls 3
big deals for them.
Oh, serious business pa. Imagine putting these 3 girls on a stage. On a show. Say they are going to one night.
Rapid things.
Brother, everybody will love to go, and that is where I want to bet me. I say, "Oh, my fans crowd by say, and the thing will be fun. At the end of the day, never have fun. In Tokasembi, But because of coronavirus, it's here in that aspect of the beef.
Yeah.
Yes, shebi. Maybe a chum. Shatawale ne Samini. Your core stadium.
Yeah.
It was so nice.
Yeah, I remember.
It was so nice. Like everybody was trying to prove say me perform a chain. Me yes a chain. It was so nice. Yeah, by a benye bitroy. And so ebe kasa ebe who did they are fine. These are the things we need to do to keep our industry going. Now, so why you sika? Because that time, you know, yeah, commentators in the air commentary, but mama di musike gumboto, and that is our prayers for you. And you know, son, say maybe you be beona ebe your publicist. When you sika na indirect, me so may enjoy kakra. So this is the push. Sometimes push no support na one. Nyama we mu ni na ka, but you have to be smart. Bible crabble say nyame boa de oboa no. And also boa ho, be business minded, be positive. Don't be too negative. Men change in something in brother I woman. Oh yes, obey emotional be bravo. You die unnecessary. Yes, we win them. We win them. It's a more aspect, no. But me wants a medical also 2020.
Medical say I get now.
Yes.
Medical tweets no I get time they can we more yeah TV.
Come your point be am
issue. Because medical tweets because
what can say be say on timini entro and your man so timini oba or looking like beef cups and beef which to me you know it's an admission say untimini girl in beefy the Americans and brands are
different come up
yes
about the fashion
the Americans and say medical also one person obey your mama ni pana but what Twitter fiti an opai ebesi enimire opa kona o Twitter na sa kan wa sem saturation and it's only say
this is another
yes this it's a whole
we
I don't know one fast and seminar or Twitter and got to beat no so be being fan responding
because they said this
it's not this you are this the person beef na na whether or Twitter or Instagram who beef no enti we throw challenge na say ono aye obi so abobo nyeme bi na etwiwa e was some can so ye obi to prove to us say girl na nya ne e ba ne rapper nya ne size na enti nya Twitter nya tweet sem
I see na akabia na e bin kan so dia na ye
brother dia kan me fancy
ya so because medical dem pese ye sheda and sound now you find the tweet, you know, one after the other.
Okay.
All kind about maybe a tremor, yeah, free verse man, and only Nancy for no. Ceremony down, I think we can look at them later.
Okay.
But then I think you have given us some great points to consider. Thanks to Beef Nation President Nana Reagan and Ote Kano. Well, my all the breakdown now in now. I'm gonna say yes, Beef Nidia. He endorses it all right, but then just as any game. Every game has its rules and regulations. Football, Santina, Okofa, a friend is Avia, and I guess I'm
VAR.
Okofa, VAR, Ebaya, what the Bira, a soccer money. Even your cheap piece of this cheap people, not your Felice, you go back and reverse it.
Yes.
You understand? So, guys, this is it. Moon beefy. Obia feel free. Obia ni na kumo masembi hadi bia nonka. Nemo ask yourself, asam na o kan ochna when we play it back, will you be comfortable?
Them say yes the bar beba.
Yeah, the bar.
Football for the VAR. Yes the bar BAR.
And
that is beef assistant referee. The bar for channels yeah.
Beef assistant referee.
Beef assistant referee.
BAR.
Yeah.
Alright guys, get out for it. Thanks to Digital Rasta Currency, to Richie Flex, to man like Yao Lapiji, and of course to Beef Nation President. His name is Nana Reagan. On Facebook, Nana Reagan, as well as Instagram, Nana Reagan, and on Twitter as well, Nana Reagan. If you have any beef info, you just send it to him and you add it to your platform so that you guys can also be recognized. Subscribe to this channel and get every latest information when it comes to beef. We out of here.